So if you separate them, you tell the artist, you tell the audience that there's class to this. Understand?
Yeah,
so what we sell is what the audience will buy. You know, and that responsibility, the artist, the DJ, the producer, and all of that. And also, because Mangi mentioned about how we can generate or create wealth, it all comes down to these things. From you start that conversation, not only you create a wealth in the industry, but when you move industry, when fight, upper hunger, insecurity. Mota could then be comfortable or stable surroundings. Then they just how the person sounds. You don't have a pressure because you are okay. Other people are genuinely okay for the industry to go. How many industry, bro? I can tell you, over 10 years I've been saying this. Man, how many industry should take care, man, not take it.
Right, yeah. Man, that's my mindset, bro.
I don't need to have a
that's my mindset, bro. That's my real mindset, man.
Provide services in the industry. Nyata shows me if they keep one come. I'm not even on the venue, but I can make a 20,000, 25,000 from the show because I have a service to offer.
Yeah.
Understand? You want export in things. Bring that to the industry. That's how we create wealth within. And then you see, I've got this industry how many come down. You must get a mat there for 200,000. You got there for 200,000. I'm not 400,000 for that. That 400,000 is gonna feed you and me in the industry. Because trust me, promoter, we organize show right now. Koko no boy, what's up more check boy? Because Koko no mungi feel industry be neku jiko jo halis. Mom dafa just take you on for halis and them. So we all take from the industry and go. We're not giving it back to the industry. I gave this example to someone. It's about time. Manma, I'm sure I'm an established artist. My guest artist coming on the show, Mark consider didn't pay incentives. Neku neki this dude if my charge artist to perform for him. No. It's you recognizing him at his logistics.
Mashallah.
Well, after some performance, send us a GT bank account at 10,000 and I appreciate you coming in there for Imagine 10 artists have shows and they pay each artist 10,000.
Are they listening?
Koko is coming, that artist is back in the industry because artists will tell me. So invite Kenan, the father that 10,000 boko job, Lola mo fair than an artist.
It's like coming young ma level after my young failure.
Yes.
Because
it doesn't necessarily even have to be sir. You yama favor. You dinga fake Kenan. The father fair Koko no matter. It's not that 10,000 in 2-3 years. The father grow to 20,000.
Yeah.
That 20,000 to 15. The father within the industry.
Yeah. Why is it pour lolu mu work? For artists yeb gis ne industry bi is not about ne comme man kena ma wara chop.
That's what I'm saying.
Man kena ma wara chop. Te man kena man ma wara man rek ma wara am show te man kena man ma wara fessal.
Yes.
Fofu la lo nekon di wax fofu la collaborative mindset bi wara ñew nak da nga gis ne after show happen so amé su nekké ne Mr X mo am show ñep dañoo gis ne show bi mom so yi ñep la te ñep dañoy promo show bi pour ñep chop sen tentaw ki mu chop xeyna mom lu moy chop mu chop lolu war sagam la waye dama make so ne ma ngi wara chop fofu tentaw waye dama make so ne show bi dafa happen dama make so ne comme dama make so ne comme suma fancy ñep dañoy ñew ñu support.
Thank you very much.
How many understand what I know?
That's what I'm actually saying. My point.
Yeah, that's the thing, you know.
That's how we can create wealth in the industry. Yes, now swing the field. The family football. I'm not in the them. They are not playing Premier Leagues and Champions Leagues, but in their country they are paying their local footballers because there's wealth within their fraternity. And then Gambian music, we should start having this conversation like yesterday. Because here's the thing. We able to identify let's say about 1 million there's a lot of millions in the industry because we are not tapping into creating that wealth. The fact that we're gonna be clouded, our eyes are gonna be clouded by ignorance instead of you just Halis Bini mu ngi fi di wéis ñu nekk di ko jël xam nga kan moo ko jël yu si dafa ñu mu jël mbir na mu dem everyday wala dafa ñu mu jël mbir na every xaalis boobu noonu suñu xaalis la bu xam ne nag comme am na seen day no supposed to have they will always have government dafa accommodate ñoo la ñu collaborate boo gis nga xaalis boobu noonu mu ngi fi is Gambian money mu ngi fi ñun suñ ko méekutee keneen moo ko ñëw
méek ko
and then kooku noonu du full-time kooku gis naa avenue bu fi nekk 90% or over 90% of RC ñu dee ñëw Gambia fii especially si Jamaicans I'm going to give you example que ñoom ñoo fi yàgg ñu right most of those artists ñoom as solo duñ organize show seen dëkk Gambians don't understand this most of them can't keep a solo show in their country in Gambia fii ñu ngi fesal suñu own venue single artist depuis balaa ñu nekk event
wax naa la ko mooy marché bi mooy di market in Gambia so business bi
touring nationwide in 2010 them base all over every year 11 months a year every year for 10 consecutive years plus and you tell man bu ma figure out fan la xaalis nekk industry yaaga na and it's something I wasn't keeping quiet about. I was communicating to my generation. Like a young G, they will tell you, our RC, the marriage RC gig to travel to
uptown, yeah.
Punga them gadgets because of new they will always come here to show. We have to reach out.
Yeah, you must have to get to them.
Understand? So new industry, for you understand that come down the woman mentioned here, we have to put in that money. Let's invest money on each other. Lulu, I'm not saying not being an artist invest money on someone, but bro, we have to all do that collectively. Lulu, example like to say new fair is part of the things. Understand? But any individual or any business, when you put 10,000 on, that means they're not valuable. Lulu, the fact that is valuable by force. Lulu, Mola on the heat, man, there's no value, man. To pay me 10,000 just to go to his show. And then God understand me. With or without you, that show is still going down. That respect, if it boys to circulate within. Much panakala fancy they approach in music. Because right now, for you grow from all the things that have been going around the past years.
Yeah.
For you move.
Yeah.
This when that wealth is created, wealth more they attract wealth. Yo, man suma moro mi artist, suma target of 20,000. Promote nya dalam la 50,000 kan? So promote business na ni I'm full of work. You name they're paying within. So if I need an artist, definitely there's a price tag. Lolo, when it starts happening, we will know the net worth of the industry. You know, I'm not a hardest no funny. Right now, I want anybody collecting and a real network big and you cannot. These are the things that are not there. But when we start to put in these things, we don't use the net worth. When we get to figure out the net worth, you can see someone who is going to come and invest millions of foreign currency in it because this
network, yeah, it will make sense.
New and could create logo. Full and tall right now. It's not about the sound anymore. It's not about the music. It's not about.
We have enough hit songs. Yeah. We have enough hit songs, you know.
It's not about language. It's not about passing and fufu. I see younger artists doing big, bro. You get me? So feeling tall right now. So if someone says language or music, people are gonna say a lot of different things. I'm not putting down all of those things under the rug, but I'm saying when we create this thing, this energy, this wealth in the industry, Kanga Chapa, how is gonna move to a whole different direction.
Even the international thing, we nekk di wax ne comme duñ fa mëna dem ñi di debate ñi di wax ne dafa dem da nga gis ne dafa happen because investors yi dañoo ñëw, you know. Dañoo ñëw. Yeah, ba pare dañoo gis ni ñi dañ comme like that is the same energy bu fa nekk. Mën nañoo wax Davido ak Whiskey dañ am, you know, isu karab Burna Boy Davido karab da sakul, you know, Rema. But soo xoolee sakul bi, you know, kii Davido si digganteem ak Whiskey